Hi everyone. This is Jojo. Welcome to my channel Make Learning Fun. I am making video for kids to learn and laugh. Enjoy the show. Hi kids. We learned several of fruits and vegetables name last video. Do you remember them? Let's have a review today. You will have a surprise after the review. Please stay with me with fun until end of the video. Corn, eggplant, broccoli, carrot, cucumber, pumpkin, come with me, let's start the magic time. Kids, can you tell me what this is? Oops, I can't cut it out by wooden knife. Yes, this is broccoli. Let me put it in the magic box. Let's see how the magic work. I am going to cut it in 3 pieces. Now, we got 3 pieces of broccoli. Kids, can you tell me what this is again? Do you want one more time? Still can't cut it out by wooden knife. Kids, can you tell me what this is? Yes, this is corn. Let me put it in the magic box. I am going to cut it in 3 pieces. Kids, can you tell me what this is again? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.